Hello everybody, this is George with Melnix Automotive. In this video I would like to show you how to program a smart key, proximity key on a 2018 Honda Pilot. We went ahead and purchased brand new key fob. As a matter of fact, these are reprogrammable. You don't have to buy it from the dealer, but we have amazing discount. We purchased it from the dealer. This is how it comes. It's a driver one key. As you can see, it's not locking anything, unlocking, and if I try to press ignition on, you can see nothing happens. Okay, this vehicle came from insurance auto auction, and as you could see, the key is gone. It's 18 Honda Pilot. Okay, a lot of times people go to look at the vehicles at auctions and they think it's cool to take keys and try to sell them on eBay or whatever. Sometimes drivers that deliver the vehicles, they steal keys. This part is not needed because it's only good for this car. So a lot of times they just pull it off, okay? So in my case, I'll be using SKP 1000 to do all keys lost, okay? And this tool will bypass in-out code because Honda has a rolling code based on the VIN number of the vehicle, which is located here, and the calendar date. So every day this code changes. So this tool here will be able to program keys without putting any in-out code. So we're gonna go into a mobilizer setting. We're going to find Honda. And you could do by system or by vehicle. We're gonna go ahead and do it by system. I lost my stylus, and it's gonna be keyless 2. Without this tool, you will not be able to program the keys. So we're gonna hit keyless system. We're going to go ahead, yes, turn ignition on, choose OBD adaptation, turn ignition on, yes to continue. As a matter of fact, we cannot turn ignition on because it's not going to work. We're going to hit yes, and we're going to do all keys lost. And it says put all keyless outside the car, yes to continue. We're going to take this out, take the key outside. We'll hit yes, and it says put one key back in the car. So we're going to put it right there. I'm going to hit yes, and it says press start button twice. As you can see, nothing happens. It says to start, hold the remote near start button. It says can turn ignition on. We're going to hit no. Okay, it says press and hold start button and hit yes to continue. So we're going to hit yes. Now I'm going to press and hold the start button. As you can see, it went ahead and unlocked. I'm going to turn air conditioning off so it doesn't kill the battery. And you can see the green key is flashing on the dash, okay? And it's asking me, is ignition on? We're going to hit yes. I need to find that stylus. It's going to ask us how many keys we're going to program. You could have up to 6 keys, so we're only programming 1 key. We're going to hit yes. Usually takes a second. It says turn ignition off, and it's flashing in red. Okay. Then it says turn ignition back on. You have 15 seconds to do it. So we went ahead, turn ignition on. Okay, take a look. There's no more green key. There's still a lot of lights on the dash. That's totally different issues that we'll have to handle later. The only thing is we're doing the keys, and it's asking me, is the light out? We're gonna say yes. It says turn ignition off. Again, I'm going to turn ignition off. It's telling me to turn ignition back on. It's just kind of verifying the key, which I'm going to turn it on. Turn the ignition off. And turn it back on again. And match key succeeded. So we're gonna go and hit no. We're basically done with this car. So basically now we performed all keys lost. Take a look. You can see my fob is working. Take a look at my, you can see it's working. It won't let me lock because my door is open. But now I'm gonna start the car. There you go. We just performed all keys lost on a 2018 Honda Pilot without a pin code. You could program up to 6 keys. There's no tokens needed. This tool will program a lot of keys, a lot of different vehicles. Once again, thanks for watching. This was George with Melnick's Automotive. Finally, we have Melnick's Automotive gear, coffee mugs, sweaters, t-shirts. A lot of people have been emailing me asking me when we'll have them, so I finally took time to design some. If you guys interested, check out our Teespring store. Otherwise, thanks for watching. This was George with Melnick's Automotive.